Hey, YouTube fam. Welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Amit Ranjan. Today, we're buzzing with excitement over a groundbreaking partnership in the automotive world. Mahindra & Mahindra, a key player in the Indian automotive industry, has just inked a deal with the Volkswagen Group to source electric vehicle parts. Let's dive into the details and explore what this collaboration means for the future of electric mobility. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap who we're talking about. Mahindra & Mahindra, a name synonymous with innovation and sustainable solutions in the automotive sector, is making big moves in the electric vehicle (EV) space. In a recent development, Mahindra & Mahindra has signed a significant pact with the Volkswagen Group to procure crucial electric vehicle components. This strategic move reflects both companies' commitment to shaping the future of green mobility. Mahindra & Mahindra (M&M) has signed an agreement to source components for its electric vehicles (EVs) from the Volkswagen Group. The two auto manufacturers issued a joint statement on 16 February 2024 saying M&M will source parts and components for its purpose-built electric platform, INGLO, from Volkswagen Group's EV platform MEB. Starting in December this year, M&M plans to launch 5 electric sports utility vehicles in India. The company said they will continue to evaluate a potential expansion of their collaboration. Volkswagen's MEB platform and its components are used by the group's brands Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda and Seat, Cupra, as well as external partners like Ford and Mahindra. The partnership with M&M is led by Volkswagen Group Technology and its platform business unit in cooperation with Skoda Auto Volkswagen India. The deal is likely to help M&M get access to VW's technology and save development costs and time as it prepares to launch its Born Electric model in India. Tata Passenger Electric Mobility (TPEM), the EV arm of Tata Motors, dominates the Indian EV market with its Nexon, EV and Tiago, EV, which gave it more than 70% share. In this segment, M&M sells the XUV 400. In addition to the supply of certain electric components, the deal also includes the supply of Volkswagen's unified cells, the core element of its battery strategy, to M&M, which will be the first external partner to use it. The supply agreement is for several years and will have a total volume of about 50 gigawatt-hours over its lifetime. With more than 5 million new vehicles sold per year in 2023, the electrification of the passenger car segment is expected to gain significant momentum in the coming years, the two companies said in their statement. The agreement takes forward the collaboration between the two companies, which commenced with the inking of an agreement and a term sheet in August 2022. Now, why would Mahindra & Mahindra choose to collaborate with the Volkswagen Group for electric vehicle parts? Let's break it down. 1. Expertise exchange. The partnership allows Mahindra & Mahindra to tap into the technical expertise of the Volkswagen Group, a global automotive giant with a strong presence in the electric vehicle segment. 2. Accelerated electric portfolio. By sourcing EV components from Volkswagen, Mahindra & Mahindra aims to expedite its electric vehicle development process, offering a broader and more competitive range of electric vehicles. 3. Global reach. This collaboration could potentially open doors for Mahindra & Mahindra to expand its electric vehicle offerings globally, leveraging Volkswagen's established international presence. What does this partnership mean for the future? Well, we can expect Mahindra & Mahindra to roll out an even more diverse and technologically advanced lineup of electric vehicles. The collaboration might also pave the way for joint ventures or shared platforms in the long run. Conclusion. In conclusion, Mahindra & Mahindra's alliance with the Volkswagen Group is a game-changer in the electric vehicle landscape. As both companies join forces to drive the future of mobility, we can't help but be excited about the innovative electric vehicles that will soon hit the roads. If you're as thrilled about this news as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay charged, stay connected, and until next time, this official YouTube channel of Amit Ranjan is signing off.